Remember the ta, ah was 3 counts. Ta, ah. Bobby, can you see it was ta, ah, 3 counts? In today's songs and hymns, we'll have that as well. Can we remember how to play it? That's 3 counts. Are you going to do that? Are you going to look out for that? I think we should have a look at our things. Oh, hi friends! I totally forgot that you're waiting for the lesson to start. I was just recapping with Naki and Bobby, and I thought, well, we need to make sure to remember the 3 counts because the next lot of hymns will have 3 counts in them. Let me show you the 3 hymns. I'm putting my recorder in resting position. So the first hymn we're going to do is number 22, O God, our help in ages past. The second hymn we're going to do is number 49, which says, Mighty God, we praise thy name. And number 65 is, Thus far the Lord God has me brought. So it's quite a jam-packed lesson, and I am ready to play. Are you ready to play? Naki and Bobby can't wait to be part of this. But remember, what are we first going to do? We're first going to clap the note names and values, or we'll clap the value and say the note names. Then we're going to do the chinny chin chin. So, are you ready to start clapping the note names and the values? Or the values and the note names, whichever way you say it, as long as you know what you're doing, I'm okay with that. I'm putting my stand a little bit like this so that Naki can see better. So here we go, nice and slow for the first hymn. 1, 2, 3, and G, G, A, G, C, C, B, C, G, C, G, A, G, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, G, A, C, A, B, C. Did you remember the 3 count one? What was the 3 count one called again? That? Ta, ah, ah. Well done. Now let's put our recorders on our chins, and then we are going to show the fingering and talk the notes. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, and G, G, A, G, C, C, B, C, G, C, G, A, G, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, G, A, C, A, B, C. Whew, that is a bit tricky, especially because maybe we forget about the 3 counts, but I'm pretty sure when we play it with the accompaniment, it will be slightly easier because then you'll remember what the hymn sounds like. Are you ready? Recorders in your mouth, and you have your G fingering. So for track 76, we are going to listen to the introduction, and I will show you when we start. Are you ready? Listen carefully. Well done. I'm so excited. I think give yourselves a round of applause. I think Naki and Bobby did an A-OK job, and I'm pretty sure you did an even better job. I think that we should go straight into the next hymn, which is number 49, not a mighty, just mighty God, we praise thy name. But you know what? He is a mighty God. We know that. I'm putting my recorder again. Where in? Resting position. That's right. Now this is a slightly longer hymn. So you've got to really concentrate when we clap the rhythms and say the note names. And remember the breath marks, the two little lines, two little lines. Breathe nicely when we play those phrases. Are you ready? So we're going to start on a G, and the G is a ta, ah. So I can't just say G, 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 it's G. Are you ready? Oops. 1, 2, 3, and G, 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 A, G, A, G, A, B, 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 C, B, B, C, B, B, A, sa. G, 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 A, G, A, G, A, B, 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 C, B, B, C, B, B, A, sa. A, B, C, B, A, B, C, B, C, C, B, C, B, C, B, A, G. Oh, did you also make a mistake or did you not? I'm pretty sure you never made a mistake. I made a mistake and I could actually go through it again and I could rectify it. So if you realize you make a mistake, boys and girls, it's fine. Go back to the beginning of the line and you talk it through again. If you make a mistake while you're playing the recorder, that's fine because we can always fix it. Remember what I said the other day? The more you practice, the luckier you'll get because your brain will remember where your fingers are at. Okay, I think now we would like to play this hymn with the accompaniment. So boys and girls, we are going to look at track 77. Listen carefully to the introduction. Sit up straight, fingers on G, and remember the first count will be 2 counts because it's a ta, ah note. Are you ready? Listen very carefully. I love this hymn. Naki, you did a fine job. Bobby, you did an excellent job too. Boys and girls, we have to practice all the time. If you practice every single day, it will become easier, especially those tricky counts where we have to do the ta, ah. I'm getting caught on those ones. So I know what I have to go practice on. And Naki, Bobby, boys and girls, this brings us now to the last hymn for the day. And it's hymn 65. You know the drill. So when you're at home and you practice on your own, always first just go clap it and then you say the note names while you have your recorder on your chin, and then you play it, and you can play it along with the tracks. You know where to find the tracks, and mommy and daddy will help you. So I'm putting my recorder again in resting position, and I'm going to start on a G, and I'm first looking to see if there are any funny notes there. Do you see any funny notes there? Do you see any funny notes there? Straightforward, this hymn. So I think this is maybe the easier one on the page. Let's do this. I'm going to breathe in deeply. I'm getting my clapping hands ready. Sit up straight and smile right on. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and G, B, C, B, C, B, A, B, 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 A, C, A, G, A, G, G, B, C, B, C, B, A, B, 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 A, C, A, G, A, G, G, A, B, C, B, A, B, A, B, C, A, C, B, A, B, 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 A, C, A, B, A, G. Yo, that was a lot of clapping, lots of tars. I can't believe actually that we can play so many tars in one hymn, but I'm pretty sure it's going to sound amazing when we do this with the accompaniment. Now, I wonder if I should challenge you. Do you think we should be challenging you? I think maybe we should go and straight away play this with the accompaniment. What do you say? Yes? Do you think we should? I think so too. Let's do it with the accompaniment, and if we need to practice it again and make mistakes, we can go back to it. So listen very carefully to the instruction. The instruction. What am I saying? It's an introduction, not an instruction. I'm not telling you what to do. We are going to listen to what the organ wants to tell us in the introduction. So we are going to listen to track 78, and I'm getting my fingers ready. And remember all the breath marks. Are you ready? Let's listen. This actually sounds really cool. What do you think? I really am so impressed that I can play so many hymns. If I go back in the book, I think maybe about 9 hymns, or maybe I've lost count, maybe it's even 10 hymns. But I promise you that you will be learning even more hymns, because we're going to learn more notes. And boys and girls, do me a favor this week when you go back, don't only practice these 3 hymns, go back to all the other ones and practice everything. That is your super, super challenge. Nak is accepting the challenge, Bob is accepting it, and I'm accepting it. And you must have a fantastic, fantastic week. And remember to practice those star R's and breathe. Bye.